signal is in channel 3. Yeah, signal is flowing. Channel 3. There it is in the meter. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the channel gain as high as I can go and see how it reacts to the meter. So watch the meter as I boost the gain. There we go. Alright, there is a break-in, and there is 14.5 dB, and we get a break in the chain, so we'll bring it back down. That seems to be good. Let's narrow it in and see if we're good. Narrow it in. Okay, seems good. There we are, 13 dB. The input line saying hot, but that's good. The output level is right there, -6 dB. So yeah, we know we're getting the exact -6 that we sent out of the laptop is going into that now. And now we can check the voltage, and there you can see almost, I would say 2 volts. Yeah, almost 2 volt output clean signal Behringer put out right now. So now we're gonna move on to the drive rack. After we send the signal from here, we send it to the drive rack. So now I'm gonna send it to the drive rack and check the outputs of the drive rack. So I'm gonna have to set everything at 0, equalize across everything at 0, and make sure the chain is moving exactly the same, -6 dB and good output signal. And if you want to know how I did it, this is how I did it. Okay, it should be the other way around, but because I have this that has a clip, the clip is better to hold the ground pin, and the black clip is better to hold the live, but makes no difference when it goes to the meter.